Unless it's how to make a door. Can you put it? So grab his gun.
It doesn't seem to be getting too hot right now.
Oh, really not.
That's good.
I'll grab a door.
That's the little dog.
Mm-hmm.
I think.
Yeah, dogs are barking pretty crazily.
He barks. Well, I couldn't say he barks the most. Sometimes. Like I say, I'm glad I had my chance, so I don't have to worry about him.
Yeah.
They are.
Unpressed. Door. Open. Now you can do this, but if you want to do a second one for when it's unpressed, or it'll stay open. So do door here, and then close. Okay, now we're on the map. Also make sure you have info player start in the level, which is very important. And I gotta install PHP. Be right back. We're back. And let's run map. Let's run it now. Okay, we're on the map. Let's find a cube. I have the mounted. I meant to run in. Then start on it, seal open, and see closes. And of course you can put a button on it, and got cube on it, and it'll stay open. You can also put a doorway around it. Yeah, that's basically make a button. Or you can also do a key buttons. I'll show that in a second, just because it's not too different, but I'll show it. So next up. And we'll turn on something else. So grab the button. Grab this button. Call this one push button. Unpressed. Door open. And then we'll kind of see what happens here. I am curious about something, so I'll go and experiment it with you guys. Next time we'll just exit the map and then we'll just begin with it. Now you can press this button to open the door. And now you can also set it to when, it's... And you can actually close it by hitting that button there. On our favorite command again. And yeah. That's how you make doors open at once.